Hi, Shalom. Let me introduce myself. My name is Thessalonica Willer with name 19142010171. I am from A1 nursing class semester 5. I am here. I will fulfill the task of a nursing English course, which is the one who is taught by the lecturer Mrs. Nurhayati, Baccalaureate of Education and Master of Humanities. And here I will explain a few health problems, namely cough. Definition of cough. Coughing is a natural response given by the body when the airway defense system is disturbed from the outside. Through coughing, the body can clear mucus or other irritating factor out of the lungs. Coughing is often caused by several things, including 1. Infection in the upper respiratory tract that attack the throat or sinuses, for example colds, flu, sore throat, and sinusitis. 2. Infection of the lower respiratory tract that affect the lungs or lower airways, for example acute bronchitis or pneumonia. 3. Allergy, such as allergic rhinitis or hay fever. 4. Improvement of long-term health conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or chronic bronchitis. 5. Breathing dust or smoke. Cough treatment. Generally, a mild cough rarely requires special treatment step. Even so, immediately consult a doctor if you experience the following cough symptoms: more than 3 weeks due to virus infection getting worse and accompanied by blood, difficulty breathing, chest pain, weight loss for no apparent reason, fever or swelling, and a lump in the neck area. Prevention. 1. Avoid cigarette smoke and other smoke pollution. 2. Avoiding sweet, cold, and oily or fried food. 3. Increases endurance. 4. Drink enough water. 5. Use a mask when traveling. Thus, I have explained a little about the healthy problems, namely